How much does a sleep apnea machine cost? If you're considering sleep apnea treatment and wondering about the cost of a sleep apnea machine, you're in the right place. Let's break down the details to help you understand what you might need to budget. First, there are several types of sleep apnea machines, each with its own price range. The most common ones are CPAP, continuous positive airway pressure, APAP, auto-adjusting positive airway pressure, and BiPAP, bi-level positive airway pressure machines. A CPAP machine, which provides a constant flow of air pressure, can cost anywhere from $500 to $1,000. These machines are relatively straightforward, but can vary in price based on the features they offer. For example, a CPAP machine with a heated humidifier, which helps reduce dryness and discomfort, will generally cost more than a basic model. APAP machines are a step up because they automatically adjust the air pressure based on your breathing patterns. These machines typically cost between $600 $1,600, making them a bit more expensive than standard CPAP machines. BiPAP machines are the most advanced and expensive option. They provide two different air pressures, one for inhaling and one for exhaling, which can be particularly helpful if you have difficulty exhaling with a CPAP machine. BiPAP machines can cost anywhere from $1,700 to $3,000 or even more. In addition to the machine itself, you'll need to consider the cost of accessories. These include masks, which can range from $50 to $200 and need to be replaced every 6 months. Humidifiers can cost between $20 and $50, and tubing can range from $5 to $75. It's depending on whether it's heated or not. Air filters, which need to be replaced monthly, typically cost $5 or less per filter. Yearly maintenance costs are also something to think about. You'll need to replace various parts regularly, such as mask cushions every month, which can cost between $20 and $60. Tubing should be replaced every 3 months, and headgear every 6 months. These annual upkeep costs can range from $330 to $900. Insurance coverage can significantly impact the cost. Some insurance policies cover the majority of the cost, while others may only cover a fraction. It's important to check your insurance policy details to understand what is covered and what you might need to pay out of pocket. In summary, the cost of a sleep apnea machine can vary widely based on the type of machine and the features it includes. By understanding these costs and considering your insurance coverage, you can make an informed decision about which machine is best for your needs and budget.